Hello there, my name is Antieter Butters, and what we're going to dive in today is how to use a new tool that Twitch developed to do charity streams. What you're going to do is log into your own Twitch account, and for you to do that, go to www.twitch.tv. Once you're there and logged in, go to the upper right-hand corner, click your own brand icon, and then go to Creator Dashboard. Once you click that, it will lead you off to your Stream Manager layout. Basically, your creator dashboard is going to be on the left hand side, and either you can pop it in or pop it back out by a simple arrow right here. The label we're looking for is charity. It's going to be the seventh one down on your creator dashboard. Once you click that, it's going to lead you to this, where you can see a display of a bunch of charity cases that you can help out. What for this sake purposes, right here I could search for a key term, the name of it, but just to play along and see how it's done, there's other things right here on my fundraiser tab where once you develop it, it should showcase right here. Since we don't have any, you could also click right here, the new fundraiser tab, which will lead you back to the first discovery page. Basically, for the purpose of this video, say we're going to help out St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're going to click the Create Fundraiser tab, and it's going to lead you into these 3 easy steps. The first one is review the charity details. It has an about page section, description of who they are and what they're all about. They also have a website where you click and direct you to the website. The second step is set a goal, and that is totally optional, but they recommend to make your goal achievable since you could increase your goal at any time, but you cannot decrease it once your fundraiser is created. All your donations for your fundraiser will be in US dollars, at least for the sake purpose of this video as well. So you can set your fundraiser goal amount there. For the final step, you're going to preview your donation panel, and this is what the panel looks like. So for me, say I'm going to be fundraising for St. Jude, this is what the panel is going to look like. It's going to be in increments of 1, 5, 15, 25, 50, or you could also customize an amount and then click the donate button there. Once you, the streamer, are all done reviewing the information, you're going to save this fundraiser, and it's going to go into my fundraisers tab. At any moment, you can go to your my fundraiser tab and just see all the funds you have created. For this one, for the St. Jude, is currently off. It says goal none, but say if we want to fix it and want to add, say we want to fundraise $25, we could do that. Hit this little arrow key, save it, you say yes, and now it is saved. Once I feel comfortable with starting it, you can hit the start fundraiser, and it's going to start, and it will be on your Twitch account panel on your whenever you plug it in and start it. To delete it, you're going to hover over the 3 dots next to the start fundraiser, and it's going to say delete with a little garbage bin. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to say yes, delete, and now it is gone and successfully deleted. That is basically how you do it. Just for the sake of this purpose of this video, they're also saying that donations are made through PayPal Given Fund. They are also an IRS registered charity, and they are subject to terms. Feel free to look at all the terms and conditions that you are subject to. So feel free to click any links there that enables you to receive more information. That is the basics of this page, and thank you for listening in. If you would like any other how-to videos, feel free to like and follow this page, subscribe to the page, and if you have any questions of any other videos you would like to see, feel free to comment in the section below. Until next time, take care. Have a good one.